So right now I have TP-Link router, is one of the best TP-Link router I have right now on my hand. So okay, I'm doing unbox this. So I haven't typed, therefore my one hand is holding mobile and other is, so don't mind. I'm trying to improve my video, so video is bad quality, so please watching and seeing what is the, so I'm unboxing that gradually. So I'm hoping you want you you will see full video. So right now I need to unbox that. So my one hand is holding phone and other is doing unboxing, so so don't mind, therefore it's kind of bad quality video. So I'm trying to paste how to good is this. So right now I'm doing unboxing that. So yeah, okay, man, sorry. Oh, so what the fuck, man, my two ankle is, oh, my ankle is right now tripod, so my two hand is here, so I'm unboxing that. Okay, 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 I'm doing it here. So this is my product, TP-Link router. You can buy that whatever place you can buy, you will get this on your marketplace. So this is a router and this is a cable of connect with your ONU to a router, and this is a power. So that's great, I would say. Yeah, that's it. So it's my router. So you can get this type of router whatever marketplace, online marketplace and physical marketplace, you can buy easily. So okay, this is router, this is pin cord, and this is power charger. So okay, this video is in here. Okay.